Hello friends, my name is Shubham and today I will explain you how to use circular image view in Drawable Studio using GitHub library. First of all, go to Google and then write circular image view and draw it. Then go to this first link. Then we will copy the dependency. Here we will copy the dependency. Then go to build Gradle module app. Then paste it here. Then sync now. Now we will use the circular image view. Then we will add the image. And we will provide the border color. Then we will provide the border width 5 dp. Now let's test the app. Here circular image view is shown. So if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you friends.